My name is Sandra Thompson. I am the Community Resource Development Program Leader. My colleagues and I want to introduce you to the Community Resource Development Program area by sharing it with you what we do and what we hope to accomplish.
Good morning. I'm Ray Mobley. I'm the director of the Extension Program here at Florida A&M University, and on behalf of our entire program and our College of Engineering Sciences, Technology, and Ag, I want to bring you greetings. I'm here to just mention briefly about what we do in the Extension arena. We are the Extension arm, the outreach arm of the college and the university. We provide outreach support to our community-based clientele, and our clientele consists basically of our minority, underserved populations here in the state and beyond.
I'm Dr. Lawrence Carter, Director of Special Outreach Activity with the Cooperative Extension Program, and I also serve as Principal Investigator for two of the projects that was earlier mentioned by Dr. Mobley. One being our Capacitor Building Grant that we received from the U.S. Department of Agriculture to introduce entrepreneur skills to our 4th and 5th graders, specifically in the community setting.
Good morning, I'm Donna. I'm the Business Development Coordinator for the Rural Entrepreneurial Business Development Outreach Project for the College of Engineering, Science, and Technology under the Extension Office here at FAMU. Our primary goal and focus is to educate people in rural communities about entrepreneurship, and using entrepreneurship as a viable economic opportunity to enrich their communities. Through that, we focus on educating the community. We first get out and we market what we do. What we do is we teach entrepreneur education, and under that umbrella it includes business growth, business plan writing, credit literacy, and basic entrepreneur education. With that, we also do that with the adults and the youths. We have a youth project where we do entrepreneur education with young people through an interactive computer program, as well as hands-on experience in teaching them what it means to start their own business and understanding money.
And basically helping rural adults develop the skills that they need to start, expand businesses that will help them increase their income, take care of their families. We provide those services through workshops, one-on-one technical assistance, digital learning.
With the young people, we actually look at the opportunities that they can have through the internet. Although they're not close to a metropolis, in a rural community, the internet gives them huge access to having a viable business, and we teach them how to use that, market that, because these are often children who may be looked over.
And so we've been fortunate to get funding for, in terms of two grants, external proposals that we've been working to provide this support.
To expand our capacity to reach out to communities and work with 4th and 5th graders primarily, to introduce them to business principles as entrepreneurs, and as to how they can utilize agriculture products to receive income.
In that particular one, our goal is to teach kids gardening so that they can see how they produce vegetable products, and then those vegetable products can be sold, and then they understand that their skills and resources went into something, and then from that they're now able to generate income.
And so both projects utilize gardening and they get a chance to understand the overall science of plants and especially water quality and all of the kind of things that go into the environmental impact of growing vegetables. And so we feel that this particular project connects to the mission of USDA.
With that, we have 4 counties that we cover: Gadsden, Madison, Jackson, and Hamilton County. And those counties we go, we do classes. We host 6 or 7 classes, one once a month, where we invite people who are interested in starting their own business to come in and sign up and participate in the entrepreneurial education workshops. We realize that most rural communities' economic development is based on small businesses which drive their communities. So we know that if we teach those citizens how to properly, legally, legitimately set up a business, starting with educating them on how to write that business plan, how to get it presentable before the bank, how to research their resources for financial investments, help them understand the nuances of the kinds of business they want to start. We have helped people from starting truck driving companies to restaurants, to t-shirt shops, to retail shops, and help them develop products along the way. We teach them how to go through the process of getting their products trademarked, get them licensed if they require any kind of licensing, work with overseas companies to learn how to do mass production, help them understand the globalization of a market, help them to understand what the banks are looking for when they need to get financing through SBA. If the banks can't help them, we teach them how to go through small business investors through the small business associations. We bring in additional partners to help us with that. Currently, we're doing some business development skill building in some prison systems, as well as through workforce centers. And the final one that falls under the Community Resource Development Program is our organizational assistance program. And basically what we're doing there is that we help individuals, groups, start tax-exempt community development corporations, and we've been extremely successful. We've had 7 organizations become community development corporations in the last 6 years. We know that once we educate a community well enough, that there will be opportunities for them to build great businesses and hire people in that community. The reason that we are so happy and focused, because these particular organizations can access facilities money to build community centers throughout rural North Florida. In addition to that, they can access funding called intermediary relending funds to lend out to small businesses to help them jumpstart their business. Additionally, when you are a tax-exempt organization, you can access funding that the typical private entity cannot. And so our goal is to help these organizations build their capacity to deliver services to their communities, as well as bring in dollars that otherwise those communities could not have accessed. Many people come at different stages. And we try to meet them where they are, because sometimes they don't understand how to go down to the Department of State and register that business as a legal entity and to protect themselves in a legal way rather than be a sole proprietor. So those are a lot of little things that we help them do, but the focus is educating the rural communities on how they can change the economic base of their community, have a viable job, and provide viable jobs and provide a viable service within their own community.
I guess I would say that our community resource development program is a melting pot of different projects designed to enhance the quality of life of our target North Florida rural communities. And I hope to see or hear from you soon.